How to install apps without Apple ID. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on screen time. Make sure screen time is enabled, and if not, then go ahead and enable screen time on your device. You will then see the option for content and privacy under the restrictions tab. Tap on content and privacy restrictions and make sure the toggle button for content and privacy restrictions is toggled on, and then tap on the iTunes and App Store purchases option you see there. Now, under the required password tab, you will see the don't require option. So go ahead and select the don't require option. Now go back to settings and tap on Face ID and passcode option and further enter your iPhone's passcode. Here under the Use Face ID for a tab, you will see the toggle button for iTunes and App Store. Go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for iTunes and App Store, and now open App Store and search for any app, and as you can see, you will no longer be required to enter your password. And just in case if you are installing the apps that you have previously installed with your Apple account and then deleted the app, and if you want to reinstall that particular app again, then you will not be required to enter your password anyway. So this is how you can install apps without Apple ID and password. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.